Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is don't ask, just do it. Ladies and gentlemen, most of the times it happens that whenever you are about to ask someone before doing something, large number of negative forces they automatically come from nowhere and they start telling you all the bad effects of doing that particular kind of act. Ladies and gentlemen, there is so much negativity in our society that we see everything from a negative point of view, and this has become our nature. And our society has also become like that. There are very few people who will tell you that what is the real benefit of doing a particular kind of act, following a particular kind of profession. Whenever you are about to do something new, you want to become a part of a new profession, which nobody among your known ones has done before, especially in that case. If nobody among your known ones has done it before, the doubt becomes more strong. And people start pointing out that what are the bad effects of doing this particular kind of thing. What happens, ladies and gentlemen, whenever we think about doing something in life, we do a pre-planning. There are certain small ideas in our mind that yes, we will move like this, we will move like that, and we will take these small steps initially. And come on, let us take the opinion of other people, our loved ones. And the moment you take opinion, these people overcrowd your mind with so much doubt that the initial confidence that you were having, it is also gone forever. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, please stop this habit of asking people before doing anything. There is so much negativity in society that the very first reaction of people will be to stop you from doing that task. Some innovative idea, some creative idea came to your mind. You thought about working over it. And when you took opinion of people around you, they said that this task is absolutely useless. Nobody among our friends, family members and relatives has ever done such kind of thing. You are doing it for the first time. Definitely it is not going to be a success because you don't have any prior experience. People give lots of excuses, ladies and gentlemen. That's why always be away from negative people. Always be away from negative people. They will destroy your mental creativity. They will always destroy your mental creativity. That's why there is no need to discuss anything with anyone. Whenever some creative and innovative idea is coming in your mind, you just go and directly implement it. Why I am saying this? Because if the idea is creative and innovative, 100% it is going to give you positive results. It will never give you negative results, ladies and gentlemen, because the idea is creative and innovative. When some kind of idea gets generated in our mind, we are intelligent enough, we are grown up enough to analyze that whether that idea is creative or destructive. This is common sense, ladies and gentlemen. We can very well analyze that whether that idea is creative or destructive. Whether that idea is going to be beneficial for society or is it going to be harmful for society. We can clearly analyze these things. And if we genuinely believe that the idea, once implemented, it is going to bring huge profits to the society, it is for the betterment of society as well as it is for betterment of me, definitely you should act upon that idea. And in that case, please don't take opinion of anyone. Just do it. You know the procedure, you know what steps you have to take to execute that task without asking even a single person around you, ladies and gentlemen. Just start doing it. 100% it is going to give you good results. Because it is a positive idea, it is a creative idea. If it is a creative and positive idea, 100% it is going to give you good results. But the moment you ask people around you that whether you should do it or not, ladies and gentlemen, all types of negative energies will surround you, and they will start telling you all the negative effect of doing that particular kind of act. Nobody will come to you and say that, okay, you move ahead, I am with you. You just give it a try and I am there to support you. Just try to understand that how this task actually happens. Perform all the necessary steps and just move ahead. We are there to boost your confidence. Nobody is going to say such kind of thing. People will only say that stop doing this. Nobody has done it before in your family, among your friends, family members and relatives. Nobody has ever tried this thing. Why you are trying it? Why don't you follow their path? Why are you doing something entirely different, which nobody has done till now? People always talk like this, ladies and gentlemen. People always talk like this. They straight away say that, why you are doing this thing if nobody has ever done it before in your family? If this is something new, it means that you are having zero experience of it. 100%. It is a waste of time. Please stop doing it. This is the major excuse that people give. They will come to you and they will directly say that since nobody has ever tried this thing in your family earlier, 100% it is going to give you bad results because you have zero experience of it. You are trying it for the first time. Forget it, otherwise it will take you nowhere. It will be a huge loss for you. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your energy. You are doing this illogical act. This is an illogical act. You are wasting your time and money in this particular thing. So stop doing it. Ladies and gentlemen, people will always say like this. People will always say like this. Always remember, they will try to make you a demoralized person at every cost, and they will keep pointing. When you actually start doing that task, taking your own initiative, and even if you are feeling that you are gradually achieving success in that particular domain, people are recognizing you gradually, still negative people will keep pointing you that whatever you are doing, it is wrong. It is going to put you nowhere. Right now, currently, you are feeling that it is good, but very soon you will come to know that you will be on the street. Initially, you might be thinking that your act is loved by everyone in community and society. Whatever you are doing, you are sharing it on Facebook and social media and people are appreciating it. That is fine, but that is just the initial level. Very soon you will come to know that it is of no use, and very soon you will be on the streets. People say like this, ladies and gentlemen. Instead of encouraging you, instead of telling you the methods of becoming more successful in that particular field, they will point out all the negative aspects of it and they will kill your confidence. They will kill your confidence. And when you come in doubt, believe me, ladies and gentlemen, self-doubt is the most destructive thing. And if you surround yourself with people like this, self-doubt will automatically come in your mind. Doesn't matter how confident you were when you started this task, you surround yourself with negative people, this doubt will become more strong and gradually you will lose your confidence and you will gain only losses in that particular kind of act. So the major reason behind gaining losses in that particular kind of act is not that the act is bad, but because by listening to negative people, you lost your self-confidence. This is the reason that why you were not able to execute the task properly and effectively. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, please stop discussing your crucial aspect of life with everyone around you. Don't discuss with every family member. Don't discuss with every relative around you. Don't discuss with every neighbor of yours. No. Try to find out initially that who are the people who can give you positive energy. And if you are having any doubt before starting a particular kind of thing, try to meet those people who have already achieved success in that particular field. You will find such people in your community, in your society, in your city, even on internet. Even on internet, unknown people who have achieved success in the same field in which you want to achieve success. See their profile on internet. Just try to find out that what they are doing in that particular field on daily basis. It will motivate you to be like them. It will tell you that what necessary steps you should take to become successful in that particular field. And if you know that there are certain people in your own society who are doing the same kind of thing, please associate with those people. Please ask them that what needs to be done so that you can become famous in that particular field. So always surround yourself with positive people. Never surround yourself with negative people. They will take away your energy and you will not even start a good task. Ladies and gentlemen, the only thing that you can do to achieve happiness in life is stay away from negative people. Don't leave the task that you are doing. Leave the people who are saying that your task is bad. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.